Alright guys, so we've got this iPhone X with a damaged screen. In fact, the battery pack, the lithium ion battery pack is quite old now and it's expanded and it's actually pushed the screen and it actually separated the screen from the phone, which is why this screen is probably damaged. But I'm going to show you how to open it. First thing you guys need to do is get a, by the way, I've ordered a new screen for this and it was actually 15 quid on amazon.com or .co.uk. And what we're going to do is, it came with this kit. So the first thing we're going to do is actually remove these two screws down here that you can see, these ones. So there's two here, 1 and 2, and then once you do that, the screen's kind of stuck in or slightly glued in. You need to heat up the screen around the edges and then use this pick to try and pry out slowly all the way around. On the right hand side, you've got to be careful because there is the screen cables or the screen strips that connect the screen to the phone, so you don't want to cut those all the way around, and we'll remove that screen in a second. So as I said, I've already taken one screw out and I'm just going to pop this one out as well using this tool. Once we get that out, you can see that little screw in my hand. It should slightly lift away, but you may need to apply a little heat. And then what I did was I went around the whole screen and just gradually lifted it very gently, because it's just stuck down around the edges. And I was able to get this open like this. And if you look here, the battery is actually really puffy. Like, it's actually gone puffy, and this happens over time to lithium ion batteries. So we need to actually change these as well. So they need to come out because they are what's actually pushed this screen forward and damaged the screen. So we've got the screen, but we need to get the batteries in. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute. All right, so we need to get this battery removed. You can see I've got a brand new replacement straight off eBay. 17 quid it was, so not too much. And what we're going to do is, this battery is actually stuck down. So you just need to heat up a little so the glue comes loose, and then you can actually just peel it off when you need to. And you can see there's a couple of stickers on the left side right there, so we'll put those back on the new battery. The battery kit comes with a new set of stickers like that, you can see, so we'll be putting them in. Once we just make the battery a little loose, what I did is I actually opened up, we need to open up these screws here, here and here, so we can actually remove the screen and then reconnect the battery under there. I just put it back on for the purpose of this video. So let's start removing all of these screws to get this panel, this connector panel off, and then we can actually connect the new screen and this new battery that we've got right here. So let's get started. So the new battery's got its new stickers on that came with the battery, and what we're going to do is we're going to position this back in and connect it right up like this. So if we go back to the phone, and you can see the holders, all the stickers where the battery used to sit before. So we're just going to position this bang on and make sure that the connector lines up. So you can see the old battery's out and the new one's in, and it's already at 73% on the charge, like that. So it's powered up. Obviously we still have a damaged screen, which we're going to fix next.